If your Chrome browser on Windows 11 says it is managed by your organization, that can be confusing, especially if this is your personal computer. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Managed by Your Organization message in Chrome on Windows 11 using a simple step-by-step method. We'll check Chrome policies first, then remove local group policy directories if needed, and finish by refreshing the policy settings so Chrome can start cleanly again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, let's check whether Chrome is actually being controlled by a policy. Open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. In the address bar, type chrome://policy and press enter. This page shows all policies currently applied to Chrome. If you see policies listed here, that means something is enforcing settings on the browser. Take a look at the names and values carefully. If you recognize the policy because it was set by your workplace or school, then that message may be expected. But if you do not recognize any of the policies, they could be the reason Chrome is showing the Managed by Your Organization warning. Now, if those policies are coming from local Windows group policy, the next step is to clear them using command prompt with administrator access. Click the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important because the commands we are about to use need elevated permissions to remove policy folders from the Windows system directories. Once the command prompt window opens, paste the first command and press Enter. The first command is rd/s/q%windir/system32/group policy users. This removes the group policy users directory, which may contain settings applied to specific users on the machine. After that finishes, paste the second command and press Enter. rd/s/q%windir/system32/group policy. This removes the main local group policy folder. If these folders were applying unwanted restrictions to Chrome, removing them can help clear the managed message. After both commands have run, type the final command and press Enter. gp update/force. This forces Windows to refresh policy settings right away instead of waiting for the next automatic update. Give it a moment to complete. Once it finishes, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. After your PC restarts, open Chrome again and go back to chrome://policy. Check whether the unwanted policies are gone. If the page is now clear or only shows policies you expect, then the Managed by Your Organization message should be resolved. In many cases, that is enough to fix the problem completely. If the message still appears, you may need to check whether your device is signed into a work or school account, or whether a security tool is reapplying browser settings. But for many Windows 11 users, checking Chrome policies and clearing local group policy directories is the key fix. I hope this guide helped you get Chrome back to normal on Windows 11. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.